up guys, welcome to another video. Today's video is on the guitar. We're not going to be using any cables for this. We're going to be learning just 4 chords. So let's get started. Alright, so the first chord here is going to be an F sharp minor. If you guys want to, you guys can just do the little one here. Okay, so F sharp minor, then it goes to A. To E, then to D. Okay, so F sharp minor, A, E, and D is going to be the chords. Now the strum pattern for this is pretty easy. It's just going to be a down up strum. So down up, down up, down up, down up. Just as simple as that. You can use these chords for the ukulele and check out my ukulele tutorial. I'll have it somewhere around here or at the end. But thanks again for watching. Check out my other videos. If you guys like this, leave a comment on any other songs you guys want to hear. Thanks again, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.